Introduce highlight features or overview summary of FREEKYROCK rolling stool with wheels. Consists of the following features. Adjustable height rolling stool. 15.7 to 20.47 inch. The rolling stool have adopted a sturdy 360 degrees swivel pneumatic height adjustment structure, allowing easily adjust the height from 15.7 to 20.47 inch. Adjusting the stool to the appropriate height can make your work more comfortable and efficient. Enough storage space. The mobile rolling shop stool is equipped with one black plastic storage tray and two cup and tools side holders. At the same time, we have set up dedicated placement areas for small parts. With ample storage, you can carry your supplies with you while working, like important car care or repair supplies. Ease to move. Our workshop stool is equipped with 4 pieces 360 degrees swivel universal caster wheels, ensuring excellent maneuverability on any surface. These high-quality wheels provide robust support for the stool, enabling smooth pivoting even on uneven or complex terrains. They operate quietly, offer long-lasting durability, and ensure stable movement. Heavy-duty garage mechanic stool. The rolling mechanic stool is constructed with a robust angle steel frame, ensuring durability and reliability. Ideal for use in garages, workshops, and other demanding work environments. Suitable for. The height of automotive mechanic creeper seat is suitable for maintenance work in garages or workshops ranging from medium to low height, such as repairing car tires, maintaining and repairing motorcycles and bicycles, etc. It has high maneuverability, large storage space, and excellent support, making it the first choice for mechanics. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.